Hi guys, how's it going? I was at Bamboo's investors meet and greet recently, and I met some wonderful people. One of the things that has come up a lot lately is people talking about how they want to learn to invest in stocks, not just US stocks, but Nigerian stocks, and they're looking for videos on that. So I want to let you guys know that we're starting a new course. We're going to make a bunch of videos about how to invest in stocks, like from the very beginning, what stocks are, why people invest in stocks, the apps you can use to actually buy stocks, how to fund your wallet, what dividends are, how to withdraw your money, when the stock market is open and closed, who regulates the stock market, how to pick the right stocks, a lot of stuff. So we're going to be doing a proper course on this for those that are looking to invest in 2026 and beyond. And another thing I also did is I created a WhatsApp group where we pretty much are going to be sharing these videos. I'm also going to be leaving some thoughts there as well. It's really the basics, right? If you want to get the premium stuff like stocks to invest in every now and then, stocks to not buy, and all of that, if you want the inside scope, I have a premium group where you can pretty much pay to join, but I'm not making this video to ask you to join the premium group. I'm telling you that there is a free group that you can actually join to get the basics for stock investing. So I hope this helps. If you're looking to invest in stocks in 2026, we're going to cover everything together, every single thing together. I've been, investing in stocks for quite some time, and I'm really, really happy to be sharing, what I know with you guys. I'm also not going to be hoarding information. If there's something I don't know, I'll talk to analysts, I'll talk to somebody else who knows, and they can actually share that information with you guys. So it's one of those spaces where you can pretty much ask questions and get answers, and if I don't have the answers for you, I can ask around and get back to you on it. So I hope this helps. I'm going to leave the link to the free WhatsApp group here in the description. Feel free to join the WhatsApp group. It's a closed group, so you can't really leave messages there. I don't want it to be messy.